you know. Man, that's a breath of relief. Taking a walk right now. And you know, I'm just feeling appreciative. Because this year was a year of reflection. A year of pausing. A year of just taking a step back to look at how much I've done over the past 7 years since I've decided to embark on a journey to start a business, become an entrepreneur. And right now I'm feeling good because I finished my website, my portfolio, and like this walk right now is kind of symbolized. It's not like the victory lap, but it's the lap before it's the training before that victory lap, you know? Like, it's like you feel like you put in the work. Like I know I put in the work, you know? And I feel like at this point, the only thing that I can give back is reaping the rewards from my work, you know? And I'm ready. Whenever this victory, I know it's coming, you know, it's coming. I may be at the beginning of it, you know, I feel like I'm training for it. Haven't made it yet, but my personal victory lap is coming, you know. Shouts out to Nipsey. Shouts out to him. Just feel relieved. And this year has just been, you know, relaxing, just pausing, man. That's cool. It's because it's like the way that I see life is just like nature, you know. And, you know, and the seasons, you know. The seasons, like, this whole year has been my winter season. Like, I've been hibernating this whole year, man. It's alright, though, you know. It's just recognizing the seasons and the phase you're in your life, you know. Yeah. But I'm ready to reap. I'm ready to reap what I sow because I've sowed a lot of seeds.
And you know I'm full of light. Full of life. So you know I'm full of life. Full of life. And you know I'm full of life.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and check the tools and resources in the description box below.